Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. I am so glad you're here. Today I have crafting on a budget, so let's get started. For today's video I grabbed a couple of pieces that are currently on sale in my shop and I made some cards. And the first combo pack I picked is this Art Options, and this is by 49 and Market, and it's called the Rouge Laser Cut Elements. And in this combination pack, this is a value pack, you have two of these die cut packs in there. In this one we have 97 die cut elements, and in the other one we got 98. So we have the Rouge Laser Cut Wildflowers and the other laser cut elements. And when you look at them, these are the wonderful laser cut items from 49 and Market. And when you open up the packages, you will find 4 sheets in there. And here are the dimensions. Let's just look at those. There are 6 inches by 12.5 inches. So those are large sheets. So each of these packs has 4 sheets. So in this value pack you get 8 sheets. And now look at these. You just take them out here. So there is 1 sheet, 2 sheet, and when you turn them around you can see how wonderfully laser cut these pieces are. There is no white edge. These are really delicately cut out elements. Look at this gorgeous flower arrangement here. Lots and lots, so you can see so many different elements to make cards with. And then in the Rouge Laser Cut Elements, you get sheets with borders and frames and beautiful petals, and we got a ribbon there. Look how gorgeous this is die cut. I mean, look at those frames. They're absolutely exquisite. We got some stamps here. And the next one, we have more frames. And up here, we got some tickets. And you see it's falling out. So it's really nicely die cut. A few flowers, but you get the flowers in the other pack. More of those gorgeous down here, gorgeous stamps. And the best thing is you don't have to choose, because both packs come in this value offer, which is currently on sale. So let's see what I have created with this. So we're going to start with this gazebo card. These gazebo cards I have now introduced twice in my prior videos. So if you want to look up how to make these, so just check out my gazebo card videos, and I will link it below because I do have a short tutorial. But here I just adjusted the size. So this was actually supposed to make one of the gazebo cards that are a little taller. I had 2 videos, so in the second video I had that taller version, but then I just changed it up a little bit and made this beautiful gazebo card. Let me show you in comparison how smaller this one is. So here's my first gazebo card I made, and this is a larger one. This one here fits in an A2 envelope. So I think this might be more user-friendly for some of you, because some I understand only do A2 size cards. So yeah, and I just adjusted a little bit the dimensions so that my base piece, I want to say, fits in an A2 envelope. And this is how you can start. You can cut yourself a base piece, then start making the score lines on each corner. Like I said, I have a tutorial, and then it will fit. And here I just added the beautiful flowers, some butterflies from the same value pack. And for the background, I have a little bit of brick paper here. And from the heart, of course, makes it a great Valentine's Day card. In the back there is some rose paper from the Valentine's Day papers this year, And I think there are still some in the shop, so I will link it below. And then, of course, Stickles finishes my first card, and I think it is so cute. Then I had this brick paper out, and this is a very simple card. I used all the leaves, not all of them, but some of the leaves from this paper die cut pack, and you can see there is no white border. I really like that. And added just a butterfly, a heart. This is a foam piece from Michaels. A special thanks for my stash, and then a little bit of Stickles. And I think it's a very simple but cute card. A special thanks, of course, would work for any occasion. And for this card here, I used one of our top folding large slimline cards. These cards are from Hunky Dory, and I still have a few in my shop. Here, because it is a larger card, I used this large embellishment from this beautiful pack, and see how massive it looks. It looks like I used a lot of pieces, but I only used this one element, and then added a butterfly. These new butterflies, I think I had them out last video, last Saturday, or maybe the one before. These are now a little smaller butterflies, also stickers. Just going to show you a few. Look how beautiful they are in pastel colors, just perfect for spring are these packs. There's even a reef here. So these are currently available. And what I have done, I added my butterfly to a piece of white cardstock and then fuzzy cut around it. And now I have an embellishment that can sit on a foam pad. But of course you can use these butterflies easily as the stickers the way they come. And then again, I have a couple of those hearts and from the heart. And then I sprinkled this card with some, I found this old spray actually. I had this old, let me see if I find it. Yeah, I found this glimmer mist here in one of my storage containers. I hadn't used it. I had that probably 8 years, and I wasn't even sure if it's still good. So, but it was, and there's still, a little bit left. And what I did is I just added it to this paper. Now here it is a little big, and I think because it was clocked first. But I think it gives it an interest having these golden drops on there, and you can see it's all blingy. So I think this gave it a little distressed look, but still a gorgeous card because of these wonderful elements that I have added to it. And the dimension only comes from the two glitter hearts, the butterfly, and my sentiment. Next, I made a Z-fold card, and this one now is the easiest to do because we have the card blanks available. So this is brand new to my shop. It's called the Double Z cards, and there are, let's see, what is in there. It makes 6 cards, so there are 6 cards, and everything is already pre-cut and pre-scored. So I find this wonderful for these fun fold card making. So you have the base piece, and you can see it is already all pre-scored, and then you also have the middle pieces pre-scored. And I would recommend you keep one of these cards as a sample, so from then on you can easily mimic those by using your own cardstock. It gives you step-by-step directions. Here is a wonderful example on the cover, and this is my card. Look how cute this came out, and I didn't have to measure, and I think it stands up very well. I used just a little bit of Valentine's paper that I had in my stash, and of course here a bouquet of those die cuts, another butterfly, and a little bit of washi tape. Speaking of washi tape, I meant to tell you this. When you make these gazebo cards and you use washi tape to decorate those two strips, the top and the bottom strip. It makes a difference if you add the washi tape first to your strip of cardstock and then you start scoring it. If you score it first and then you add the washi tape, it starts pulling and it's not adhering as well. So when you do this, and I know we all have lots of washi tape that could work wonderful for the bottom and top strips here, add it first and make sure it is adhered very well. Maybe even use a little bit of glue if your washi tape is not as sticky, and then do the score lines, because then you will see it doesn't come off. It sits very well on the cardstock. But I had my washi out, so I added a little bit of washi tape for my inside panel here. This is where my sentiment will go, and then look how cute it is. And I didn't have to measure anything. I will keep a card and make much more cards now. But this pack makes 6 cards. This isn't a card, it's a paper hug. You have seen it now. I used it this season. I love the saying, and I'm going to mention it again. If you don't have the stamp, it is easily copied by just using computer journal. Write it out in the font you want it, and then print it and cut it. Okay, and for this card, I used one of the frames, more of the flowers. Cheers to you. And this is part of the background paper. So everything you see here comes in the pack. It looks so beautiful, a little bit of vintage. So this is just a regular card size card, I mean. And then with my leftovers, I made a small thank you card. And I like these delicate flowers here on my hard paper. So these are my last 2 cards that I created with this beautiful 49 and Market value pack. But I do have a couple of other things that I want to show you. So I'm going to finish these cards and show you a couple of other things. Also on sale in my shop are these Paper Mania die cut sheets. These are beautiful die cut sheets with frames and toppers. They have glitter already on there. So just wonderful die cut sheets. I'm just going to go through them quickly because there are different ones available. So every element here is die cut. All you have to do is push it out. Here we have a wonderful summer sheet with, garden elements and even this beautiful beach chair here. Then we have like a beautiful country kitchen, some teacups, a bouquet. So just wonderful elements. Here a cake stand. And again, if you turn it around, it's all die cut. And there are also two 3D sheets in there, meaning that you have elements that you can stack up. There is this gorgeous summer dress, a perfume bottle, and on the back you have an arrangement of vases with roses in there. There is another cute dress on a hanger and all the extra elements to make it 3-dimensional. There is a second version. On this one you have this gorgeous watering can. There is a teapot full of those cabbage roses, and on the back you have some rain boots here, another garden scene with all these pots. So these are currently on sale, and I made a few cards. Okay, here's my first card. Very simple. I just used the beautiful glass vases with the flowers in there, a little bit of background paper. I matted it on gold foiled cardstock. I have these smaller elements in the pack as well, so you can embellish the inside of your card or your envelopes. This is my first card. Wonderful is also some sentiments are in there. So very quick, I used some glitter borders here to make it even more blingy, but you don't need stickers or anything, because if maybe you can see it, it has already glazed glitter on there. My next card, I used this super cute summer dress here on a hanger, and I made a mini slimline card here with this one, These mini slimline cards and envelopes I have in my shop. They are perfect for 6x6 papers because if you cut it in half, you have a 6x3 paper and it gives it a little bit of a wide frame on these cards. So I will link them below. Now check this out. We have it all layered up so it is dimensional. We even got the shoes here and some flowers. How cute is this? And these little puffy hearts come from also a sticker pack, and I think I still have a couple available. I introduced them this year as well. I'll link them below. Next, I made another fun fold card because I had these different bottles here. This was actually intended to just stack up, but what I did is I used it one as a background and I put some foam pads there so it lifts it off the of my card, and then the extra elements I put them on both, so you can see there's a little bit dimension here on the top of the bottle as well as here. I made sure that they cover each other so you think it's one, but when you open it up you have both perfume bottles. What a cute card this is. And I finished it off with just a piece from the pack. It says friendship, and then a little bit of bling makes this card. And here I just used a piece of cardstock, double-sided cardstock, and folded it so it becomes an A2 card. And I also had to do the other beautiful dress on a hanger. So we got the two dresses, a little bit different, but look how cute this is. And I really like that they have all these additional elements that kind of mimic the fold lines on this beautiful skirt on this dress. Look how dimensional this looks. So all I had to do here is really just layer the element, put this lovely from the pack, a cute little vase with flowers in here, and then on the inside I also used one of the smaller elements. But this is all it is. I even added some paper on the back, so I have another fun card from these gorgeous packs. But I think these are by far my favorite, these beautiful dresses. You don't have toppers with dresses that often. And here are the 10 cards from today's video. There are many other items on sale right now, so just check out my website and click on the for sale link. I had a lot of fun making these cards, and I hope you enjoyed it and got some inspiration. If so, I would love for you to leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and share this video with your crafty friends and family. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please stay or get well, happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.